16June2026. Tell them they might want to take their Toyota into the dealership and get the catalytic converter serviced. It's starting to smell like rotten eggs. It's nice to see the sun out. I will say they have not paved the Parkway since the last time I was on it. It is rough and bumpy. And tunnely. I like seeing the sunlight. Now if we could just get it up to 70 degrees. It'd be a lot better if my temp gauge said 71 instead of 61. I think my nipples are about to bust out of these leathers. Because I'm sexy and I know it. Why don't folks on motorcycles wave? I'm waving at y'all because I'm happy to be out here. I just want to share my happiness with you. Man, look at that view. Oh, the temp gauge just jumped to 57 after that tunnel. That's going in the wrong direction. one of us is going to need to turn on their heated grips. So we took this road on the left here. That road is like Ballsack Mountain. So I want to say I took that road in like 2009, maybe 2010. I was on a 2009 Concourse 14 with the wife on the back. And we took that road up. And the farther up the mountain we got, the road just turned into, it was just that mossy algae on the road. There weren't even tire tracks where somebody had driven through there before us. That's how little that road is taken. I haven't been there since. But if y'all think about exploring, take that Ballsack Mountain Road and just see where it goes. It doesn't really go anywhere, just up to the top of the mountain. But it's kind of cool. It's an adventure. And being on an adventure is kind of what motorcycling's about. The pavement is really bad through here. Oh yeah, the pavement's amazing. I think this pavement would beat up my little Mini Coopers coming through here. There's some decent sized potholes. Oh, I think that's where we're going to get off if we go home today. Row. Where'd he come from? You might have a lot of money if you're driving a van like that. That thing looks like it's brand new. Ram 2500 Pro Master. Man. And all I can afford is a 26-year-old Honda VFR. I guess they failed to see that speed limit sign back there.